Morning class. So today we are going to start with exercise 1D and our first question here is to multiply or to find out the products of two rational numbers. ठीक है, हमारा first and foremost step क्या होगा? To check them diagonally whether they are coming on the same table and if they are, we'll cut them. और अगर नहीं आ रहे हैं तो हम लोग सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके आंसर निकाल लेंगे. ओके, फर्स्ट स्टेप इज टू चेक 3/5 minus 7/8. Are these two coming in the same table? Are these two coming in the same table? No, that means we are going to do simple multiplication. 7 3s are 21, that means minus 21 upon 5 8s are, and this becomes our answer. Any confusions here? Moving on to the next one here. Now, are they coming in the same table? Yes. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Now, minus 2 and minus 5. 2 5s are 10, and the minus minus is plus. And 11 ones are 11. And this becomes our answer. Any confusion here? Moving on to the next one. First and foremost thing, checking diagonally. 3 and 12 coming in the same table? 3 ones are 3 4s are, and minus minus cut, plus 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are. Now 4 into 2 becomes, and 1 into 1 is 1 only, and it becomes our answer. Any confusions here? Anyone? Please note down. Okay, now moving on to the next one here, seventh part. Again we are going to check diagonally whether they are coming in the same table or not. 5 and 20, yes. 5 ones are, 5 4s are, minus minus cut, yes or no? 9 ones are, and 9 2s are 18. Now 1 into 1 becomes, and 4 into 2 becomes, and this becomes our answer. Any confusions here? Moving further here, are they coming in the same table? Yes. 7 2s are, and 7 3s are. Now anything is cutting? No. 16 into 2 becomes 32, and 3 into 5 becomes 15, and that of minus. And we know that in denominator we don't put minus, minus goes up. Minus 32 upon 15 becomes our. Any confusions here? Anyone? Moving on further here. Now we'll take 1 in the denominator. Yes or no? Are they coming in the same table? Yes, but we'll not cut them. 24 ones are, 24 2s are 48, and 7 2s are 14. Plus or minus? Because minus plus is minus, and this becomes our answer. Any confusions? Anyone in the class? Please note down. Okay, now moving on to the next one here. Question number 2. It is asking us to verify the LHS and RHS. Means we are going to solve the left hand side first, then the right hand side. If the answer is same, it is verified. If not, it is not verified. Okay, again same thing. We are going to check diagonally whether they are coming in the same table or not. 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9, 1 5s are 5, and 7 3s are 21. This is your RHS, sorry LHS equals 3 ones are 3 3s are, minus 5 into 1 becomes minus 5, and 3 into 7 becomes 20. Are they same? That means LHS is equals to RHS, hence verified. And this becomes our answer. Any confusions? Anyone? Please note down. Moving on to the third one here. Again we are going to check diagonally. 12 and 36 coming in the same table. First of all we'll cut minus sign, because minus minus is plus. 12 ones are, 12 3s are 36. Now 1 7s are 7, and 5 3s are 15. This is our LHS. We'll solve the RHS now. Again minus minus. 12 ones are, 12 3s are, 7 ones are, and 3 5s are 15. Are they same? Yes. That means LHS equals, hence verified, and this becomes our. Any confusions here? Please note down. Now moving on to the next one, question number 3. We are going to do the verification again, but this time we could see that there is one bracket, and outside the bracket there is a number as well. So first of all, according to BODMAS, we are going to solve the bracket. Okay. This is the bracket. Again, simple step. We are going to check diagonally whether they are coming in the same table or not. 5 and 13 coming in the same table? No. 7 and 12? No. We are going to do simple multiplication. 12 into 5 becomes? And 7 into 13 becomes 91. Multiplied by 7 upon 18. Yes or no? 7 ones are? 7 13s are? 91. Yes or no? Now, we'll cut it by 18 and 60. We'll cut it by which number? 2. 2 nines are? And 2 30s are? 60. 3 threes are? And 3 tens are. Any confusions here? Now are they cutting in the same table? 10 upon 13 into 3 becomes 39, and this becomes our LHS. Now we are going to solve the RHS. 5 by 7 we'll write as it is. Multiplication sign we'll do, and we are going to solve the bracket first. Are they coming in the same table? No. Are they coming? We are going to cut it by 3 fours are and 3 6 are 80. Yes or no? And 7 fours are upon 13 into 6 becomes 78. Yes or no? Now we'll remove the bracket. There is no need of the bracket when there is a singular number. Now, are they coming in the same table? 7 ones are? 7 fours are? 20. Are they coming in the same table? 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, and 2 nines are 80. Yes or no? And 5 twos are 10 upon 39 into 1 becomes 39. Are they equal? That means LHS equals RHS. Hence, verified, and this becomes our answer. Any confusions? Please note down. Now moving on to the third part of question number 3. Again we are going to solve the bracket, multiply it. We are going to check the LHS and RHS. If they are coming same, it is verified. Now we are going to solve again diagonally. 3 and 9 coming in the same table. 3 ones are, 3 threes are, 5 ones are, 5 twos are, minus minus cut. Now 3 twos are 6. 1 ones are 1. Multiplied by 21 upon minus 4. Are they coming in the same table? 2 twos are, 2 threes are 6. Now 21 into 3 becomes 63 upon माइनस का 2. माइनस डिनोमिनेटर में नहीं रह सकता, कहाँ जाएगा? माइनस 63 upon 2 becomes our RHS. Now we are LHS. We are going to solve the RHS now. Again, we'll write minus 955 as it is. We'll put multiplication sign and we are going to solve the bracket. Minus minus cut. 3 ones are, 3 sevens are, 2 twos are, 2 fives are, 7 into 5 becomes upon. Any confusion still here? Anyone? Now again we are going to check diagonally. Are they coming in the same table? Are they coming in the same table? 5 ones are, 5 sevens are, okay. 9 sevens are 63 upon 2 plus or minus? Minus. Are they equal? Yes. That means LHS equals, hence verified, and this becomes our. Any confusions? Anyone? Please note down. Okay, now moving on to question number 4, which is fill in the blanks. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पर कुछ सर्टेन प्रॉपर्टीज जैसे लगी है a इंटू बी इज इक्वल टू बी इंटू ए. अब जैसे हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर -23/17 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 18/35. 18/35 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई जो भी पर्टिकुलर नंबर हमको इधर उस साइड नहीं दिखेगा वो हम उधर ट्रांसफर कर देंगे. दैट मीन्स दिस बिकम्स -23/17. yes or no? Yes. Now this property is a into b into c equals a multiplied by b into c, like this. अगर जैसे इसको ब्रैकेटेड में लिखें a into b into c equals a into b into c. yes or no? वैल्यूज क्या आएंगी? सेम आएंगी. अब 15/17 मल्टीप्लाई बाय -21/10, उधर हमको कौन सा नंबर नहीं दिख रहा है? 15/17, and that will be our answer. Yes or no? 15 by 7 will be our answer. Any confusions? Anyone? Please note down. Okay, now moving on to question number 5. Now we have to find out the multiplicative inverse. और मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स का मतलब होता है रेसिप्रोकेट करना, रेसिप्रोकल करना। और रेसिप्रोकल का मतलब हिंदी में क्या होता है? उल्टा। मतलब डिनोमिनेटर को न्यूमरेटर में भेज देंगे और न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर में। Like 13 upon 25 it is there. It becomes 25 upon 13 and this becomes our minus 7 by 24 क्या बन जाएगा? -24 अपॉन 7। क्यों? क्योंकि नेगेटिव साइन कभी भी डिनोमिनेटर में नहीं आएगा, हमेशा कहाँ रहेगा? न्यूमरेटर में रहेगा। अब ये -16 है, ठीक है, इसको -16 अपॉन 1 लिख सकते हैं, ये सुनो। और इसका रेसिप्रोकल कितना हो जाएगा? -1 अपॉन 16। वेरी गुड। -1 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या रहेगा? -1 ही रहेगा, या -1 अपॉन 1 भी लिख सकते हो, चाहे -1 खाली लिख दोगे तब भी आंसर ठीक। यस और नो? दिस बिकम्स -5 by 2 एंड दिस बिकम्स आर, नेगेटिव पहले से नीचे लगा हुआ था, ऑब्वियसली ऊपर चला जाएगा, और -2 by 5 का रेसिप्रोकल -5 by 2 बन जाएगा। यस और नो? एनी कंफ्यूजन्स? प्लीज नोट डाउन। नाउ इन दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू। और हमें कभी भी ये नेगेटिव साइन दिखेगा किसी भी फ्रैक्शन या रैशनल नंबर पे, हमको ये समझ जाना है कि हमको उसको रेसिप्रोकल करना है। क्या करना है? बिकॉज वी हैव गॉट अ नेगेटिव साइन ऑन इट, वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट द मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर रैशनल नंबर। क्लियर है? अब जैसे हमें 5 by 8 लिखा है, कितना बन जाएगा? 8 by 5। yes or no? and this becomes our, moving on this one, this becomes -9 by, this becomes our, this becomes -1 upon 7। very good। and this becomes -3 upon 1 or just -3 becomes our answer। any confusion? Anyone? Please note down। now moving on to our next question, question number 7, which is verify the following। ठीक है, हमारे पास LHS में एक नंबर दिया हुआ है और RHS में नंबर दिया हुआ है, और ये पर्टिकुलर प्रॉपर्टी कहलाती है डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी या डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ, जिसमें सिंपली हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, ए को अगर हम b प्लस सी से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो बनेगा a इंटू बी प्लस a इंटू सी। नो, इससे भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और इससे भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, तो यही प्रॉपर्टी हमको क्या करनी है, यहाँ पर वेरीफाई करनी है। हमारे पास पर्टिकुलर नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं, वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व द LHS एंड देन द RHS एंड चेक वेदर LHS इज इक्वल टू RHS और नॉट। अंडरस्टूड? ठीक है, स्टार्ट करते हैं। यहाँ पर 3 by 7 विल राइट एज इट इज, विल पुट मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन, इन दोनों का क्या कर लेंगे, यहाँ पर एडिशन का साइन लगा है तो क्या करेंगे, एलसीएम लेकर सॉल्व करेंगे। कितना एलसीएम आएगा? 78। now 6 13s are 78 and 13 into 5 becomes 65। yes or no? plus 13 6 are 78 and 12 into 6 is 72। यहां तक सबको समझ में आ गया? इक्वल टू का साइन लगा देंगे। अब यहां पर हम सिंपली क्या करेंगे, चेक करेंगे कि डायगोनली कट रहा है कि नहीं कट रहा है। 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, बाकी कुछ नहीं कट रहा है। नॉर्मल मल्टीप्लिकेशन 5 1s are 7 2s are 14 प्लस। यहां तक सबको समझ में आ गया? यहां पर कुछ कट रहा है, यहां पर नहीं। 12 3s are 36 and 13 7s are 19। एनी कंफ्यूजन still anyone? नाउ अब हमारे पास 65 प्लस 72 है, इसको करके देख लें। 65 and 72 we are going to add them, 5 2 and 7 6 137। that means 3 by 7 is to be multiplied by 137 upon 78। यहाँ तक कोई कंफ्यूजन है किसी को? we are going to put equal to sign। अब इन दोनों का एलसीएम लेंगे 14 और 91 का। what will come, what will be the LCM of 14 and 91? take out the LCM, 14 and 91 goes by 7। 90, 13 into 7 is 91, 91 into 2 is 182. वेरी गुड. यहाँ पे कितना आएगा? नाउ 182 को 14 से डिवाइड करेंगे, कितना आएगा हमारे पास? 13, एंड 13 into 5 is वेरी गुड, प्लस 91 से 182 को डिवाइड करेंगे, कितना आएगा? 2, एंड 2 को 36 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, कितना आएगा? 36 into 2 is 72. इजी. 65 को प्लस 72 करेंगे, कितना आएगा? 137 बाई 182. अब यहाँ पर सिंपली हम क्या कर देंगे? मल्टीप्लाई. और 78, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, and 3 6s are 18. 7 137 में कुछ कट रहा है? No. That means 137 will come up, and 26 into 7 is 182. Are they equal? Yes. That means LHS is equals to RHS. Hence verified, and this is our answer. Any confusions? Anyone? Please note down. Okay, moving on to the third part of question number 7. Again, we are going to verify the distributive property. Yes. Now, this time A is written on this particular side, or we could take this as A plus B multiplied by C. Goes the same. Now, this is in bracket. We are going to take the LCM. LCM of 12 and 3 becomes very good. 3 4s are 12 and 4 8s are 32, plus minus is minus only. 12 1s are 12 and 1 13s are 13. Bracket close, multiplied by 5 by 6 equals. Now, we are going to check again whether they are coming in the same table. 8 and 6. 2 4s are, 2 3s are 6. Anything else is cutting? No. 4 5s are 20 upon 3 3s are 9. Any confusions here? Plus. In this particular number, anything is cutting? 13 5 12 6 diagonally? No. 13 5s are 65 and 12 6 are 72. Any confusion still here, anyone? Okay, very good. Now, minus 32 and minus 13 becomes minus 45 upon 12 multiplied by 5 by 6. Yes, equals minus 20 upon 9 plus minus 65 by 72. Any confusion still here, anyone? Now, we are going to check whether they are cutting in or coming in the same table. 6 and 45, 5 and 12. 6 and 45, yes, by the table of 3. 3 15s are and 3 2s are. Yes or no? Now 15 into 5, 75 upon 12 into 2, 24. माइनस का साइन लगा देंगे. नाउ ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड 72 and 9 का एलसीएम कितना आएगा? 72. 9 8s are and 8 20s are minus 160. Now 72 ones are 72 and minus 65. Minus 60 and minus 65 कितना आएगा? minus 225 upon 72. Are they cutting? By the table of 3. 3 7s are 21 and 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are and 3 4s are. कितना आ गया? minus 75 upon 24. Are they equal? LHS RHS? We are going to write LHS equals RHS, hence, and this becomes our answer. Any confusions? Anyone? Please note down. Now moving on to question number 8. In this particular question, we have to tell about the property which are being used in these questions and their answers. ठीक है? ये जो स्टेटमेंट लिखे हुए हैं इनके अंदर कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी यूज करी गई है हमको बताना है. पहली प्रॉपर्टी देखो, अगर इसको ए और इसको बी माने तो क्या होगा? ए इंटू बी इक्वल टू बी इंटू ए। ये कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी थी? कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी। कौन सी? कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी। नाउ इस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन के या इस प्रॉपर्टी के क्वेश्चन हमने पहले भी सॉल्व करें, जिसमें जैसे a मल्टीप्लाई बाय b प्लस सी इक्वल्स a इंटू बी प्लस a इंटू सी। तो इसमें क्या हो रहा है? क्वेश्चन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो रहा है। ये सुनो, द वैल्यू इज बीइंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड, सो दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज नोन एज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी। वेरी गुड। Yes. Now the last one here, minus 11 by 15 multiply 15 by minus 11. तो ये एक दूसरे के क्या है? मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स। Yes or no? So this property is known as multiplicative inverse property. Is there any confusions anyone? Please note down. Now moving on to our next question, which is question number 9, fill in the blanks. Now first one is the product of a rational number and its reciprocal is 1. Yes or no? If you are going to multiply a upon b into b upon a, so what will come? B cut, a cut equals 1. Yes or no? Next one is 0 has no reciprocal. Very good. Then the number 1 and -1, ये दोनों अपने नंबर से खुद ही रेसिप्रोकल होते हैं। Then 0 has dash the reciprocal of any number. 0 is not. Then we have got the reciprocal of a where a is not equal to 0 is 1 upon a. Yes or no? Then reciprocal of 1 upon a is a, vice versa. Then we have got the reciprocal of a positive rational number is positive. Very good. And reciprocal of a negative is negative. And these are your answers. Any confusions? Please note down.